are you guys? I hope you're having a great day. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, please remember to subscribe if you want to continue to receive some awesome English tips, English lessons. I invite you to follow on Instagram and Facebook too, because I have a lot of free, awesome content to keep you motivated in your English studies. So today, guys, I have an open your books lesson for you. Yes, I want to teach you how to use the verb, the action, ask with the prepositions for, to, or about. Because I can ask about something, I can ask for something, and I can also ask someone to do something. I think you already understand where this lesson is going. So let's start with the basics. Ask is a regular verb, so in the past, asked. That's the pronunciation with ed. I ask, I asked. Another thing that I want to tell you is it's very common for me to ask someone something, right? So I usually say, I asked him, I asked them, I asked my neighbors, I asked my parents. We can ask a lot of people about a lot of things or for a lot of things. Okay, we will get to the prepositions in a moment. Stay with me, guys. So you can ask. When you ask, it can be a question, it can be a request, right? Or maybe you just want information. There are different reasons why we ask in English. And the preposition is going to be connected to those reasons. If I ask someone about something, for example, you asked me about my channel. And I told you that my channel is here for 1 year and 3-4 months. So I gave you information about my channel. When we use the preposition about, it's because we want information. So I can say, he asked me about my channel. I asked the neighbors about the new community center where you can go to work out. There's a gym there. So you can ask someone about something when you're talking about information. You can also ask someone for something, usually a favor or maybe advice. So my students always ask me for more videos, and I'm trying, guys, I promise. That's why I am doing homemade videos for the month of November. If you already follow Hi Amanda, you probably know that I have many different kinds of videos. I have videos outside in the city of Orlando. I have videos in the studio with some editing. And now I'm trying these homemade videos to teach you guys English in a more casual, relaxed kind of way. Let's continue the lesson, shall we? So you can ask about something, and you can also ask for something, like a favor, or you can ask for advice. She asked me for some advice. So I told her, you should buy a notebook and study while you watch Open Your Books videos here on my channel. Take some notes. You can also ask someone to do something. Now this is a little more difficult, I don't like that word, a little more challenging. A little more challenging because you will probably have to say ask me, ask you, right? I don't say I asked to do, I say I asked you to do something, right? I can ask about, I can say he asked about my new job, or he asked for a discount. But he asked to go, no, he asked me to go. When we talk about actions, usually we have an object, a person. Ask someone to do something. So every time that you use a verb, you want to use the preposition to. He asked me to make more videos versus he asked me for more videos. Now I think you're getting it. So there you go, guys. With the verb ask, you can ask someone for something, usually a noun. You can ask someone to do something, then you want an action. He asked me to talk to the director. And you can also ask about something. So if you are asking yourself about when we will have more videos, well, we have new videos here every week. I make sure of that. So I invite you again to subscribe, to turn on the notifications so you guys know when there are new videos. I hope you like this quick Open Your Books lesson here in my home, homemade videos, and I'll see you guys very soon. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Mwah.